This plugin is so cool, I've just got to share it with you because I know somebody out there is going to be glad to know about it. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 324 here on the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites, which I also work on. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com. And let's talk. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen. This is one of the newest extensions from JoomHelper. I'll talk about the package that they have. I really like a lot of their extensions. They're really practical. And this one is delete Joomla articles in bulk. I've already downloaded it to my computer to install. So let's go into this Joomla site here. Now you see I'm in a large site that I have because it's got tens of thousands of articles. So I made a copy of it using StageIt so that I don't wreck my live site. We'll go to System, Install Extensions, and then we're going to upload this package file from my computer. Upload package file. We'll drag it down there. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is go to System. And we're going to go to Plugins. You need to enable that plugin. We will filter for the word bulk in this case. And there it is. Once it's enabled, we're going to Content and Articles. And you'll see up at the top, there's a new button. It says delete 21,169 articles. That's how many articles I have on the site. But now let's suppose I had moved all of these quotes to another site. Maybe I made a copy of this site, moved it to a new location, and then deleted all the other articles but kept the quotes. Now I want to remove all of the quotes on here. Well, I can search for things. Let's go. We'll go Filter Options, Category. Let's go Quote. Here we go, Quotes. Now that's going to filter through. And look, I have 2,373 articles. Now, if I was going to delete all of these on the Joomla site, I would have to do it 50 at a time, or maybe I might select 500 at a time, but that's hard on some servers. My server is fine. But on some hosts, it could take forever, and you're still going to have to do 1, 2, 3, 5 screens. You know what you can do here? You can simply click this button and delete all of the ones that match this filter. So let's just click that. We will say yes. It's going to churn away in the database. And now look at that. 2,373 articles have been deleted. There are no quotes in that category. Now you're probably thinking, well, now we've got like 2,300 things to remove from the trash. Well, let's check that out. Let's clear the filter. And let's go Filter Options again, select Status and Trashed. And you will see that there's actually right now only like 8 items in the trash because those are other things that I had trashed on the site. Delete Joomla articles in bulk removes them from your site. They don't even go into the trash. So it's a dangerous button, but it's a very handy button. The other cool thing is that if you have tons of things in the trash here, all you have to do is delete the 8 articles in the trash. You don't even have to select those. And those will be removed. So it's a pretty handy plugin. I really like JoomHelper's plugins. They've got a ton of handy ones. I don't get any money for telling you this. They have a bulk lifetime license for $118. Get over 40 extensions. There's bangers all throughout this package. Check it out. Subscribe for new videos. Until next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.